Determine if the following graphs represent exponential functions, linear, quadratic, or neither. So when we go back to our notes, we see that linear functions form a straight line, quadratics form a U, we call it a parabola, an exponential has a graph that increases or decreases really quickly and also really slowly, right? That's why we have that really steepness that we have at the beginning and then the flatness at the end. So then let's go back. So for this first one, for part A, I'm seeing that it's really steep and then it's becoming flatter towards the x-axis and never touching the x-axis. That is most certainly an exponential function. For part B, this is a straight line, so this is going to be linear. For part C, again, super steep and then flattens out, so that's exponential. For D, this is a straight vertical line, so we can say that it's linear because it is a straight line, but I'll also accept neither because it's not in the typical y equals mx plus b format. I would accept either of those. For part E, it's a beautiful little U, which we call a parabola, which means it's a quadratic. For F, it's a nice straight line, which means linear. For G, you are going to learn about these functions eventually. It looks like a trig function, but we're not learning about those yet. That's next year. So this will be neither. And then for this function, again, super flat and then super steep. So this is going to be exponential.